Good morning, children. How are you? Yes, you are good. Yes. So today, what we are going to do? We are going to continue with our lesson. Yesterday, I have told you about living things and non-living things. So let's recall. For recalling today, what we are going to do? Today, we are going to watch one video and then you are going to answer to me. We'll have a quiz over here. Okay, then we are going to read the chapter. So let's start. So watch the video carefully to understand. Okay, children?
He has been going around taking a lot of pictures. Oh no! Pasha has come.
Yes, so this is Pasha and her friend. So what he has done? He has taken so many pictures. He has clicked so many photographs. Now, all the photographs are scattered in his room. Okay, so now he wants help. So let's see what her friend suggests.
And all his pictures all over his room. What a mess he's made.
Hey Pasha, your room is so messy. Why don't you put your pictures in these scrapbooks? The living things should go in this scrapbook and the non-living things in this one.
So now let's see. Now you have to help Pasha to choose living and non-living things. Okay? So let's do. Now what we are going to do? We are going to help Pasha to put pictures in the scrapbook. Okay? So the first picture is of a ball. So you tell me, ball is a living or a non-living thing? Very good. Ball is a non-living thing. So we'll put ball in the non-living thing column. Next picture, rat. Rat is living or non-living? Rat is living because it can move, it can eat, it can breathe. Okay. Cat. Cat is living or non-living? Cat is non-living thing. We put in the non-living thing column. Dog. Now, here it's a picture of a dog. Picture is living or not? This dog is living or non-living? Living thing. So we'll put in the living thing column. Next, hen. Living, non-living. Yes, living thing. Very good. School bag. School bag is non-living. A cat. Cat is living or non-living? Living thing. Very good. Your TV, television is non-living. Your water bottle, it's also a non-living thing. A plant, plant is living thing. Next, chair. Chair is living or non-living? It is non-living. Your cup in which you drink, it's living? No, it's non-living thing. Ant, small ant. Yes, it's living thing. A beautiful fish. It's also a living thing. A fan. Living? Yes, it can move. You'll say, no, but it cannot breathe. So it is a non-living thing. A bird? Yes, a bird is a living thing. A clock? Clock is non-living. Car? Non-living. Very good. Butterfly. Beautiful, beautiful butterfly. It's a living thing. Your pencil. It's a non-living. Tree. Living. Cow. Living. Bat. Living. Ice cream that everyone likes. It's a living thing. So we have completed. So these are all living thing items we have sought out for Pasha and these are all non-living things. So let's see if we have done it correctly or not. Done.
Thanks for letting me sort the pictures. Here's a star for you.
Okay, now he is saying thank you for sorting the picture out for Pasha. Okay, so now what we are going to do? Now you have recalled all the living things and all the non-living things. So let's now read in our book what it is written. So I want everyone to take out your semester books. Okay, children? Yes, children. So take out page number 181. Okay? Page number 181, and we are going to read from here. From difference, where it is written difference. Okay? So put today's date. Today's date is 5/8/20. Okay? So let's start. Keep your pencils where you are reading. Differences between living things and non-living things. So right now in the quiz we have sorted living things and non-living things. So let's see the difference. What are? First line. Living things breathe. Living things breathe. Now you underline the word breathe. What do living things do? They breathe. They take breathe. Breathe means सांस लेना. Okay? So living things breathe. First is, you'll underline this word. Next, most animals breathe through their nose. Now you know, animals have nose like us. Like living things, like human beings, animals also have nose. So they breathe through their nose. Next, plants breathe through their leaves. Yes. In the first one, I have told you how do plants breathe. In the first video, I have told you. Plants breathe through their, what are these? These are leaves. Plants breathe through their leaves. Yes. So plants also breathe. They don't have nose, but they breathe through their leaves. Next, non-living things do not breathe. Non-living things, do they breathe? Can this blackboard breathe? No, it cannot breathe. So this is a non-living things. So first difference we have learned, living things breathe and non-living things, they do not breathe. They cannot breathe. Next, come to the third line. Living things can move. Now what they are saying? Underline the word move. What the living thing can do? Living thing can move. You all are living things. You all are human beings. Just stand up and move. Then you will know you are living or non-living. Yes, I am living, so I can move here and there. Okay. Can this pen go from here to there on its own? It is kept on my hand like this. I have kept this pen on my hand. So can this pen move and go out of this room on its own? Apne aap se? No. It cannot go. When it will go? When somebody will pick it up and take it outside. Then only it can change its space. Otherwise it cannot change its space. But I am a living thing. I can move from here to there. Okay. So now you understand. Living things move. They can walk. Can you all walk? Yes. We all can walk. We can run. Can you all run? Yes, we can run. Can you skip? Some of you might be doing skipping these days, na? Yes, we can skip. Okay. Can you jump? Can everybody jump? I can jump. Can you jump? Yes, you can jump. So you are living things. Plants are the only living things that do not move. Now what they are saying? Only plants. This is a tree. Suppose this is a tree. So they are saying this is a living thing. How do you know this is a living thing? Because it breathes. It breathes. So this is a living thing. Okay. So now what they are saying? This is the only living thing which cannot move. It means it cannot change its place. It is standing over here. Now it cannot go to some other place. Like I have planted a tree in my garden. Wherever I have planted, it will stay there. It cannot move on its own. Okay. So they are saying plants are only living things that cannot move. But one exception is there. Exceptions means there is one plant which can move. That it cannot go from one place to another, but it can change its position. Which plant it is? Think. Yes, sunflower. Sunflower can move. It can change its direction. It can change direction according to the sun. Its flowers change its direction. Wherever the sun faces, like if the sun is over here, it will move towards this side. If the sun goes this side, it will change its position. Okay, so it cannot move from one place to another, but it can change the position of its flower. It turns towards the position of sun. Okay, so next is below the picture we see non-living things cannot move on their own. Now what they are saying, non-living things cannot move on their own. I have already told you this book cannot go out of the room. Okay, your book cannot go out of the room, or it cannot go from one table to another on its own. Why? Because it's a non-living thing. They move only when we push or lift them. What they are saying, they can only move when we push. Push means to push somebody, dhakka dena, okay? Or we lift them. You can lift your book and you can move them. When the item is very heavy, we cannot lift, we will push it, okay? So, non-living things, they cannot move on its own. Next, living things grow in size. Now, what does living things do? Living things grow in size. How do you know it grow in size? Third point is it grow in size. How do you know? Grow in size. How will you know it grow in size? How do you know it grow in size? Like you can see your picture when you were very small baby. Okay, today see the album. Okay, now then you see the picture of today. How you are looking today. So you will understand that you grow. First you were very small, now you are little big. Okay, so you will understand. Now you have seen your own picture. Okay, now one thing you can do, you can plant a small seed. You can take some chana from your mom and you put them in water for 2 days. Okay, take 5 chanas and put them in water. Okay, and then after 2 days, what you'll do? You'll see small white thing coming out. This is a chana. Okay, so after 2 days, what you'll see? You'll see small like this growing. Okay, so then you take that chana and you put it in soil and you water every day, and then you see what happens. It will start growing in size. Okay, in some weeks, in 5 days, in 10 days, you see. So you will understand that a plant also grows. Okay, so living thing can grow. Okay, so they have told you a child grows up and become man. Now what of a child? You were a small child, now you will grow up and you will become man. Okay, some will become man, some will become women. Okay, boys and girls, different. A sapling means small plant. Small plant will grow and become a big plant. Okay, so first it will be a small plant, then it will be big plant. A puppy grows into a big dog. Now a small puppy you might have seen, it will become a big dog one day. It will grow. Okay, like you grow, they will also grow. Next line, non-living things do not grow. No. Now what they are saying? Non-living things, they do not grow. Okay children? So 3 things we have learned today. Till here only we are going to do today. 3 things we have learned today. 3 differences between living and non-living things we have learned. First is living things breathe, but non-living things, they do not breathe. Second is living things move, but non-living things do not move. Third is living things grow in size, but non-living things, they do not grow in size. Like your pencil will be this much only. If you keep it for 10 years, if you keep it for 1 month, it will not grow big. Okay, but if you see your picture of today and of the past 5 years, you can see your pictures. You can see that you are growing. Okay children? So your work for today is you have to read the page number 181. Okay, so tomorrow we will continue with it. Thank you. Have a good day.